What's up everyone, and welcome back to LuxAdvantage, your go-to channel for leveling up your financial savvy. Today we're diving deep into the world of credit cards and exposing some secrets the banks would rather you not know. Look, credit cards can be powerful tools for building wealth, but only if you know how to play the game. If you're new here, or if you just enjoy sticking it to greedy banks, consider subscribing for more tips. And if any of these secrets make you go wow, be sure to hit that like button to let me know. Alright, let's expose some secrets. Let's talk about the minimum payment trap. This is a financial pitfall that many fall into without realizing it. It's a sneaky trick that keeps people in debt for years. Credit card companies use it to maximize their profits. The minimum payment seems tempting because it's so low, but it's designed to keep you paying interest. The longer you take to pay off your balance, the more money the credit card companies make. When you only make the minimum payment, most of it goes towards interest, not your balance. This keeps you in debt and ensures you're paying them for years. Credit card interest rates can be brutal, often much higher than other loans. We're talking like 20% or higher. A significant portion of your payment goes towards interest. If you're only making minimum payments, you're essentially paying for your purchases multiple times over. Pay as much as you can whenever you can. Every extra dollar reduces the interest you'll pay. Ideally, pay off your credit card balance in full every month to avoid interest charges. Even an extra $20 or $50 helps. Be smarter than the banks and take control of your finances. Alright, now let's talk about something a little more fun. Hidden credit card perks. Your credit card probably comes with a bunch of sweet benefits you don't know about. Not just cashback or miles, but valuable perks that save you money and hassle. One common perk is purchase protection. If something you buy gets damaged, stolen, or lost, you might be covered. Repairs, replacements, or refunds could be available. Look out for extended warranties too. Buy a TV with your card, and you might get extra coverage. Some cards offer travel insurance for lost luggage or trip cancellations. Visit your card issuer's website or call them to learn more. Don't let these benefits go to waste. Explore what your card offers and unlock those hidden perks. Alright, let's talk about something that most people don't realize. You can actually negotiate with your credit card company. Yeah, you heard me right. You don't have to just accept whatever interest rate or fees they throw at you. You have the power to negotiate better terms, and it's probably a lot easier than you think. Let's start with interest rates. Now, your credit card interest rate is a big deal. It determines how much extra you'll end up paying if you carry a balance on your card. The lower your interest rate, the less you pay in interest charges, and the more money you keep in your own pocket. So, how do you negotiate a lower interest rate? It's actually pretty simple. Pick up the phone and call your credit card company. Be polite, but be firm. Let them know that you're a loyal customer with a good payment history, and you're looking for a lower interest rate. You can even mention that you've seen better offers from other credit card companies. Now, they might not always say yes right away, but it never hurts to ask. The worst they can say is no, right? But you'd be surprised how often they're willing to work with you, especially if you've been a good customer. And it's not just interest rates you can negotiate, you can also try to get fees waived or reduced. The key here is to be proactive. Okay, let's talk about credit card rewards. Now, I love a good rewards program as much as the next guy. Those points, miles, and cashback offers can feel like free money, right? But here's the thing. Credit card rewards aren't actually free. In fact, they're designed to make you spend more money. Think about it. Credit card companies make money when you carry a balance and pay interest. So, they offer these enticing rewards programs to encourage you to use your card more often and potentially rack up a bigger balance. Now, don't get me wrong. Rewards programs can be a great way to earn some perks for your spending, especially if you're disciplined and pay off your balance in full every month. But if you're not careful, those rewards can actually cost you more than they're worth. Here's how it happens. You see a shiny new credit card with an amazing rewards program. Maybe it offers 2% cash back on all purchases or a ton of miles that you can use for free travel. You sign up, thinking you're going to game the system and rack up those rewards, but then you start using the card for everything. And before you know it, you've racked up a big balance that you can't pay off in full. The key here is to be mindful of your spending and use your rewards card strategically. Alright, let's talk about credit utilization. Credit utilization is crucial for your credit score. It's how much of your available credit you're using. Imagine you have a credit card with a $10,000 limit and a $5,000 balance. Your utilization is 50%. Lower utilization is better. Aim to keep it below 30%. Pay balances in full and on time. Consider asking for a credit limit increase. Just don't spend more because of a higher limit. Keep your utilization low. There you have it. Some of the juiciest credit card secrets the banks would rather you stay clueless about. From the minimum payment trap to hidden perks, now you know how to turn the tables and make your credit cards work for you, not the other way around. Knowledge is power, and in this case, money saved. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Comment below. I read all your responses and I'm curious what you didn't know before. If you feel a little more empowered after watching this, do me a solid and hit that like button. And be sure to subscribe to LuxAvantage for more insights into beating the system and getting the most out of your money. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay savvy.